Our guest of honor, Shri Kamal Nath, Union Minister for Commerce and Industry. Very soon we'll be having Jayant Rao Patil and our Chief Minister, Shri Vilas Rao Deshmukh. The plane is ready. I'm sure you must have read there was a lathi charge in Aurangabad when the cabinet meeting was there. But I think before the function gets over, he will be there with us. Our special guest, Sri Suresh Prabhu, Mrs. Indra Mahendra. Anand Mahendra had to go somewhere on a very urgent work, but we are honored the presence of Mrs. Indra Mahendra, mother of Anand Mahendra and his sister Radhika Nath. It's a pleasure to have you with us. Mr. Nana Chudasama, Councillor Course, my colleagues on the dais, Mr. Ram Tandreja, Mr. Neeraj Bajaj, Mr. Murli Adnani, Niranjan Hiranandani, Nayan Patel, visiting overseas dignitaries, distinguished award winners, members of advisory committee and members of print electron. Please give a big hand. Our Finance Minister of Maharashtra has just arrived. Members of print and electronic media, distinguished dignitaries in the audience, dignitaries on the dais, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Priyadarshini Academy, I extend to you a very warm welcome to all of you. I was just telling Kamal Nath ji that for me, when I see my friends standing and many VIPs, I wish I had a front row which could accommodate more than 200 to 300 seats, you know. Because I feel many of you have come from different parts of the world. And it's a great honor for us to have you. The government of Maharashtra has been promising that they will be having a big convention center. We are still waiting from 22 years, I think, but now with Kamal Nath being here, who is a very dynamic commerce minister, please give him a big hand. The reason of inviting Kamal Nath ji is very important to us, because today we have got from trade and commerce, not only from India, but from different parts of the world, the people who have contributed so much to the society when we are talking about corporate social responsibility. So I was very keen that Kamal Nath should be there, and I must really thank him that he made a special trip to be with us today. Thank you, Kamal Nath ji. It is a delight to see people gathered from different corners of the world to celebrate Academy's 22nd anniversary global award function. We are honored by the dignitaries present here. It has been Priyadarshini privilege to enjoy a close association with many of the Mr. Jayant Rao Patil, even Vilas Rao Deshmukh. He was our first guest of honor. He is associated with this academy from the day one. For the first time, we are having Jayant Rao Patil on our international award function. He has been always there. He has been my very good friend. He has supported the academy. Even as a president of Indian Merchant Chamber, Mr. Nayan Patel is here. Whenever we have requested him, he has never said no to us. Priyadarshini is fortunate to have Sri Suresh Prabhu association for many years. He is on the advisory committee and takes keen interest in academy's activities. He is widely admired for his dynamism and revolutionary changes he brought in power sector when he was a minister. We welcome Nana Chudasama, without whom today's function would be incomplete. I would like to mention of Shri Haresh Mahendra, who was a friend and philosopher and guide to me, and he was a great source of inspiration to me and to the academy. In his memory, the academy has named one of the awards Haresh Mahendra Memorial Global Award for Corporate Social Responsibility. We are proud to have with us Neeraj Bajaj, the Vice President of IMC. His father, Mr. Ram Kishan Bajaj, was also Priyadarshini Academy's award winner. And he was on the selection committee of Academy's Businessman of the Year, along with Mr. Hidayatullah, former Vice President of India. They were really doing a wonderful job, selection, having so many meetings. And for some time, Mr. Shekhar Bajaj was also chairman of this committee. I am sure Neeraj will also actively involve himself in the activities of academy. Please give him a big hand. We welcome you, Neeraj. In 2004, Academy bestowed a global award on Lord Navneet Dholakia, who is here with us, chairman of Liberal Democratic Party of Great Britain. Lord Dholakia is in our midst today, and we gratefully appreciate the invaluable suggestion he has made from time to time. Today, Regal Room is once more adorned by the jewel-like presence of our award winner. We take immense pleasure in welcoming each and every one of you. I'll be just reading name. Sarita Sethi will be reading their biodatas. And I've cut my speech almost 50% from 20 minutes to 10%, 10 minutes, because Kamal Nath has to leave. And I have requested my colleagues to be brief so that we can finish the function in time. Professor Arindam Chaudhary, Dr. Dhillon, Dr. B.K. Goyal, Mr. Toru Hasagawa, Mr. Noel Horn, Dr. Una Hu. Very soon we'll be having Kareena Kapoor. I think Ramesh Torani is here. She will be here in another 10-15 minutes. Mr. Raj Lumba, Mr. Narayan Murthy, Ambassador Otunu, Mr. Subir Raha, and Mr. Jignesh Shah. Your presence is a source of great inspiration to all of us. Each and every award winner will be sharing with us of his or her reflection. Since we wish to give them sufficient time, I have asked my colleague to be brief. The Academy has flourished over past 22 years, and its activities are widely publicized. 3 are the main areas on our agenda. Though beside on environment, sports, there you name the activities, but 3 are very important to us. The first area is education. We believe in education, education, education. The Academy passionately believes that empowering the youth of India through education. Towards the end, Priyadarshini grants 75 scholarship of 10,000 rupees each, thus helping our gifted youth to fulfill their goals. During floods, Priyadarshini gave financial assistance to 350 students who had lost everything, their books, their clothes, ranging from 500 to 5,000 rupees. We bought their books, we bought them uniform. So education is very important to us. The second area is promotion of national integration through dances and music. Many new artists continue to successfully showcase their talent through the Academy. 100 years back, Swami Vivekananda said that India sits on the throne of knowledge, and she would soon become the knowledge center of the world. We see this happening today. Mr. Narayan Murthy and few others have demonstrated the same to the whole world. We are proud of you, Narayan Murthy ji. It's a great honor for us. And I am also honored by the presence of Mrs. Narayan Murthy. Where is she? Thank you, thank you. It's a great honor to us. This year, the Academy has put more focus on businessmen and industrialists who realize and practice corporate social responsibility. While glancing to the CVs of the award winners, I saw that many of them are doing a yeoman's service. Mr. Noel Horn is a chairman of multinational company and yet devotes a lot of time to Singapore Kindness Movement. The same spirit of determined service drives by Mr. Jignesh Shah, Subira, and all of them, and all our award winners. We are really proud of you to be with us. The Academy has joined Dr. Vijay Bhatkar, the man who made a supercomputer. Please give him a big hand. The whole world got stunned when India made a supercomputer. We have joined hands with Dr. Vijay Bhatkar, India International Multiversity, to run the Vedic Research Center. This has become the Academy's prime project. The center seeks to foster the study, rediscovery, and presentation of the wealth of knowledge our ancestors have bestowed to us. The Academy partners with like-minded organizations that are interested in promoting Indian culture. It is a pleasure to announce that Academy has signed an MOU with Vidya Makijani of Namaste America, an immensely popular TV channel in US with the Indian community that promotes Indian culture. Where is Vidya Makijani? So anyway, the activities of Priyadarshini Academy will be shown on Namaste America. Whatever we will be sending, it will be shown all over the America. So we thank her for this arrangement. A function of this magnitude is only possible because of the excellent, efficient teamwork. I particularly refer to the difficult task done by the Academy's Global Award Committee and the Managing Committee. Time allows me to just mention a few names who are just the pillars of the Academy. Dr. Ram Thanreja, who was the Managing Director of Times of India, he has devoted a lot of time to us. Mr. Raj Gopal, who was the Cabinet Secretary, and he is so much concerned about the Academy, he said that our award should also carry a big fat purse for the award winners. I am sure he has been really helping us. I think our dream will come true. Mr. Prahlad Chhabria, Chairman of Finolex, he is here. He has been like an elder brother. Whenever I have been to him, he has always said, don't worry, we are with you. Mr. Praveen Gatalia from PricewaterhouseCoopers, he has been very strict in selecting awards. There's so much debate. We go through the CVs. So there's no influence, Kamal Nath ji. Sometimes we get a threat also that if you don't give, then you be careful. But we have never yielded to any pressure. We have Poonam Dhillon with us. She is being a leading film actress, but she has attended all 100% selection committee meetings. Mr. Nayan Patel and his son Vishal. Now I think without Nayan and Niranjan, I don't think this function can be possible. Because really, the organizing capacity Niranjan and Nayan has, Nayan takes care of all the logistics. Every time we discuss, what about the sitting? Our friends will be sitting in the audience much behind, and many of them, they stand for 2 hours. We are trying to solve this problem, but till now I've been only saying sorry from 22 years. I don't know, another 22 years I'll also say sorry to my friends who come here. We have Jayantiben Mehta here. She has been the Power Minister, Mr. Sanjay Dadlika, Mr. Raj Shroff, Mr. Piyush Goyal, Mr. Prabodh Thakkar, Mr. Dayal Hermrajani, Mr. Murli Adnani, Balram Rupani. I have no choice but to take names because 2 years working for 1 day, I have to mention their name, otherwise I'll be doing too much injustice to them. We have with us Principal Nanik Shivdasani, Mr. Shivdasani, yeah, Principal, and Mr. Principal Manju Nichani and Indu Shahani have always guided the Academy in educational activities. We get hundreds of scholarship application, and it is only because of them we are able to solve this problem. I don't know how much time they give. We are grateful to all of you for being. We also have Mr. Haru Mehtani in our midst, and Chandru Raheja. I'll come to Chandru little later, because I think without Chandru, I don't think we could carry our awards function from the last 22 years. Whenever we have asked him, very smilingly, he said, okay, don't worry, I'll be there. So all the transports provided to our award winners and dinners is hosted by him. Chandru, I don't know how to thank you. We are really indebted to you. We also have Mr. Suresh Raheja. From last few years, he has been very, very helpful to us. And this is how we can carry such a Herculean task. We have Mr. Gulu Mirchandani, Geeta Mirchandani is here, Vijay Mansukhani, Mr. Mukesh Sharma, where is he? Mr. Mukesh Sharma, he has been very helpful, because this time you will be seeing live coverage, DDD news, not only in India, but in more than 50 countries. And I really thank Mr. Mishra from Delhi, he has come, and Mr. Mukesh Sharma, without whom this would not have been possible. There are many TV channels, but Doordarshan has gone all the way out to, they said this is a very important function. There are so many dignitaries, though we have been having full page advertisement in so many papers. It is on radio, on TV, every 1 hour the names of awardees are announced. So, without Mr. Ratan Keshwani's support, Oberoi, I don't think, this function is possible. Our thanks to Jayesh DNA, Mr. Ullas Latkar, Mr. Kayur Patel, all the trophies which you see, they are so well designed, they are made of crystal. It is done by Mr. Kayur Patel. Where is he? Thank you, Kayur ji. Million thanks to you. And Raj Shroff, I wanted to see that Mr. Kamal Nath should come to our function. He said, come on, I'll take you. And I succeeded. Thank you, Raj. Really grateful. Priyadashini staff has also worked a wonderful team. Mr. Vishwanathan, he's our advisor. And then Gopal Krishna, Preeti, Minal, Rashi, Natasha, Pia, Neha, Goenka, and Kruti, Kiran, Burgess and Triza, Mr. Prabhakar. I wish time could allow me to mention all the names present here. And without the support of sponsor, Mr. Mohan Bhai Patel, he has stood really like a rock. When we were talking to Deputy Prime Minister when he was awarded, I don't know how much time he was talking to Suresh Prabhu, and finally we succeeded. Thank you, Mohan Bhai ji. I'm sure you will give us your cooperation. I thank them and to print media and electronic media for their support. I once again wish you all the best and all success. Kamal Nath ji, you must involve NGOs. NGOs can they can be your ambassadors. We had a very big conference in Singapore where we had 900 delegates. And this year we are having, Mr. Nayan Patel is here, we are having in London. NGOs can do wonders. We can really promote. You see the people who are here with us, they can really change the destiny of this country, the non-resident Indians. And with a dynamic minister like you, I'm sure that with your support, we also can pay back to the society. We have taken so much from the society, we can pay back. And we have never, Priyadashini Academy, in last 22 years, we have received only 1,500 rupees from government. We spend crores of rupees, and I think it is a duty of NGOs also, the government to support NGOs so they can take their cause. With these words, I once again welcome you, and I am particularly grateful to Kamal Nath ji. Thank you.